sidder vi her og har fornøjelsen af, at Jesper kan komme op og prøve nogle af de nye ski fra Salomon, som kommer i 11-12. Noget helt nyt BBR fra Salomon, som Jesper skal op og prøve. Super skiløber, den rigtige mand til at prøve det nye. Er du spændt, Jesper?
Jeg er spændt, ja. Førstehånds indtrykket er, det er et skib, en vandski, en lille smule rocker og sandwichkonstruktion, så det bliver rigtig spændende.
And Nicolas, can you tell the story of Bepar?
Bepar, it's a new generation of shape of ski, because we have been playing around with straight skis and then X-shape skis for many years. So now we are one. We say the story of a shaper, which is living for gliding experiences and living in water, living in the mountain, and he loves skiing and he loves to create really the next stuff. And this guy is called Bepar, and he created that ski. He's the guy that created also the Pocket Rocket, which was the first backcountry, really fun ski, freestyle backcountry ski. And he created also X-Scream, which is open whole category for the all mountain program, all mountain skis. So now it's a new generation with a V shape that will bring a lot of sensations, and even if the shape is very strange and very amazing, I would say, it's something which is really, really fun to ski. It's bringing new sensations on snow, and this is what we want, is let's have fun. Easy riding. Yeah? Yeah.
Nice snow, good conditions.
Yeah, better.
I want another trip.
You want what?
I want one more trip.
So don't go too much outside, because it's scrap behind.
Yeah.
You don't have any importance.
No.
You felt that? Yes.
Hvad siger du til det, Jesper?
Jamen, jeg synes, den er let kørt.
Ja.